Thanks to the leadership of HTU, President Sister Mary Ann L. Alat, OP PhD, ma'am, to the rest of the distinguished members and faculties of Holy Trinity University, to members of other organizations present, the proud parents, and most especially to the graduates of the Holy Trinity University. Thank you sa pag-invite. Ito siguro yung sinasabi nila na ito sa Palawan mayroong kambak-kambak kasi in-invite ako ni Ma'am Sister Alag sa activities namin. So I would like also to express this my heartfelt gratitude sa lahat ng mga tumulong sa akin when I assigned here dito sa Palawan bilang CEO ng Port Arthur to undergo the TEAP program, Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency Accreditation Program, as per Republic Act 12124, giving chance to all military personnel and other government agencies to complete their rank or to choose their field of expertise. So that is the reason why I talk in TEAP, criminology program, to align my expertise being secondary law enforcement, because majority of our members actually are not aligned sa aming kurso. Kaya the rest of the member of the armed forces, actually even the PNP, are taking up TEAP for them to have a deeper understanding and appreciation sa kanilang respective tasks. To all graduates, allow me to begin with a simple question. If someone asks you